Okay, this is third application, Ionic application, and it's a Bitcoin application, and I have inserted the API. Basically, I've been doing this through the book, so it's not that something that I have invented, but I was learning this, and we haven't inserted the API, the Bitcoin API, and it's a kind of financial application. As far as you can see, the both versions, iOS and Android versions, both are in there. I can see in my browser, and then I can convert these files into APK file. That is Android file or iOS file. If I would have a Mac computer. Now you can see this Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Somehow it's not revealing. It's some kind of a bugs in that application, and I have to see that. But this is what we have developed. It's supposed to show all of those United States Bitcoins as well, value, and it shows the detail as well, ask in a bid and 24-hour average and 24-hour volume of that said currencies, the Bitcoin in that currency. You want to view the history, you can view the history of the Canadian dollar. Either you can get it from the tab, or you can come up from here. You wanted to go to US dollar, okay, United States dollar, and here's the United States dollar, and you can see that within this from 8th August to 5 September, how they have been doing it. So we have done a lot of coding so far. We have installed in this one, it's called another third-party library. It's called ng something. Here it is on index. It is a high charts. That's the chart that it's delivering. The high charts .js and ng.js. Um, so this is what we have installed through npm. Um, Now, if you go in currencies, you can see you can either turn on those currencies or you can turn off those currencies. Let me see if I turn on the US currency and if it can work. US dollars. Well, here it's turned on, but I cannot see over there. So anyways, you can turn it off or turn it back with your tab. Tap. Um, that's what it is, and you can reorder those currencies. You can get the US currencies all the way to the what I'm doing is HTD. Okay, here all the way up to the index, and it can come up all the way to the index. It's supposed to be up there, but okay, where's the US? I have to see. I don't know where. Well, it's supposed to be doing it. It's some kind of a bug in there. Like in the South Africa, and you put it South Africa here. Now refresh it. Okay, there's some kind of a bug in there, but that's what it's supposed to reorder in it. And when you reorder, it's supposed to Australian dollar. I cannot even see the US dollar, but if I do reorder, well, there was the index and currency, everything was right in my code. I have to look into it again. Okay, currency then equal to from index to zero index currency, currencies.html. Okay, that's the HTML. Okay, index the JS file. Okay, from index 1, from to index 0 currency, but I don't know why it's not doing that split at this moment. We'll see that bug again, but it's supposed to be showing the US currencies and everything, like here. And if I reorder, I take this up, suppose. I don't see the US one. So I will see that what's the problem with that. But this is what it be supposed to be doing it, and that's about it. That's give you the little bit introduction about Bitcoin, where we have got this API from. And so far this is the application giving you 24 hour averages, giving you a history. You can change the history as well. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, US dollars. And then you can go to currencies and you can see that if it's turned on or turned off. Is the United States back again here. I have to see the reorder thing. Well, that's the one on Ionic. Here's the code, currencies code, and detail code, history code. Okay, rates for the rates and pop-ups. So it's a little bit coding, and mostly a very much precise logic that you have to employ in it, and it works. Thank you so much. Bye bye.